a comparative study of word learning strategies in L1 and L2 acquisition through the Emergentist Coalition Model (ECM). This study explored how children learning their first language L1 and adults learning a second language L2 acquire new vocabulary. Using the Emergentist Coalition Model (ECM) as a framework, researchers conducted interviews with children aged 4 to 7 and adults aged 18 to 65 to understand their word learning strategies. Findings showed that while ECM applies to both L1 and L2 learning, the approaches differ by age and context. Children mainly relied on implicit learning through social cues and sound patterns, whereas adults used more explicit, strategic methods, focusing on meaning and semantic knowledge. These results highlight how developmental stage and learning environment shape vocabulary acquisition. The study emphasizes the importance of combining implicit and explicit learning strategies to support effective word learning across different ages and language contexts. Introduction. This study examines how children learning their first language L1 and adults learning a second language L2 acquire vocabulary, using the Emergentist Coalition Model (ECM) as a guiding framework. Vocabulary learning involves connecting sounds with meaning, and while children often acquire words effortlessly, adults face more challenges, highlighting differences in cognitive strategies. The ECM suggests that multiple abilities, such as phonological awareness, semantic knowledge, and social cues, work together to support word learning. Through qualitative interviews, this study explored how L1 and L2 learners naturally approach new words, revealing that children rely more on implicit learning from social and contextual cues, whereas adults employ explicit, strategic methods focused on meaning. Understanding these differences can help educators design more effective, age-appropriate language learning strategies. By comparing L1 and L2 experiences, the study offers insights into how vocabulary acquisition evolves across developmental stages and informs targeted approaches for learners of all ages. Conclusion. This study explored how children learning their first language L1 and adults learning a second language L2 acquire vocabulary through the Emergentist Coalition Model (ECM). Using in-depth interviews, it examined how learners use core ECM components, phonological awareness, semantic knowledge, and social cues in real-life word learning. The findings showed that the ECM framework applies across both L1 and L2 acquisition, highlighting a shared cognitive foundation. However, strategies differed by age and context. Children learned more implicitly, relying on social interaction and environmental cues, while adults used more deliberate, strategic approaches to engage with and practice new vocabulary. By capturing these lived experiences, the study provided valuable insights into how developmental stage and learning environment shape word acquisition. The research bridges the gap between L1 and L2 learning, offering guidance for designing language learning approaches that effectively support learners of all ages and promote long-term vocabulary development. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.